I need to put God first. God's not second. Cannot be second in your life. Did you know that? There's a couple of things that God can't do. God can't be second. He's either first in your life or he's not in your life. He's either first in your life or he is not in your life. So you and I have to place God first. I want to bring order to my life. So now remember last year we had the 10-minute challenge. Read your Bible 10 minutes rather than being on your cell phone. So there's some people that are still going with that because they got into the rhythm. And that rhythm started giving an order to their life. It started giving structure to their life, to their daily life. Now, if you got my personality, you know that that's a big ask. It's a big ask. It's a huge ask.